Hello viewers, this is Ash and welcome to my blog ash.marinebiztv.com. Today I have few updates from the emerging maritime hub Cochin. So let's check out what's the update. The first update goes like this. It says Indian Maritime University launches its new center in Cochin. Talking more about this update, the Indian Maritime University IMU is expanding its horizons to meet the growing demand for trained professionals in the maritime sector. Headquartered in Chennai, IMU has campuses at Chennai, Mumbai, Kolkata and Visakhapatnam. As part of the ambitious plan to set up its centers across the country, the university launched its first center in Cochin on Saturday. He said that the university would provide and promote maritime studies, training and research in all branches of learning in the maritime sector. It also offers one-year diploma to the award of BSc degree, 3-year BSc degree in nautical science. The Vice Chancellor said that the Cochin Center of IMU would initially come up at the 10 acres in the land provided by the Cochin Port Trust, and 40 students have joined for the Diploma in Nautical Science course, leading to the award of BSc degree in Nautical Science at the Cochin Center. Students were selected on the basis of an all-India test conducted by the IMU. Mr. Vijayan said the maximum intake at the center was 40. So for more information on this update, you can check my blog. Let's move on to the next update. It goes like this. Vice Admiral K.N. Sushil will take over as the Flag Officer Commanding-in-Chief of the Southern Naval Command from Vice Admiral S.K. Damle on 31st August 2009. A ceremonial parade will be held at the naval base for the change of command. Let's move on to the final update of the Cochin city for the day. It says Kerala Shipping and Inland Navigation Corporation Limited has completed delivery of its first full sea-going fisheries research vessel designed and constructed in its yard at Thoppampady. The formal handing over of the vessel was solemnized by handing over the key of the fishery vessel to Dr. B. Meena Kumari, Director of SWIFT, by Managing Director of Kerala Shipping and Inland Navigation Corporation Limited on 28th of August 2009 in the presence of Dr. S. Ayyappan, Director General, Department of Government of India. It says Kerala Shipping and Inland Navigation bagged the order for construction of its research vessel in a global competition in a tender invited by the Central Institute of Fisheries Technology, an institution under the Indian Council for Agricultural Research of Government of India. So viewers, for more information on this updates that I have shared with you all, you can check my blog ash.marinebiztv.com. Also, for more information on various updates, you can also check out news.marinebiztv.com. Send in your comments and feedback to me. Be in touch. See you tomorrow. You take care. Bye-bye.